Hi guys, Lens here. In this video I am going to show you guys how to use the WhatsApp web. If you're new to my channel, go right ahead and also subscribe. So the first thing you need to do is to go to the WhatsApp web address. Once you are there, you click on the home screen and the page will load up with the QR code. So I'm going to show you, it's very easy and very simplified. So if those of you who want to know how to do it, now you can see the QR code there. What you want to do is that you want to go into your WhatsApp, and when you're into your WhatsApp, you will see the three dots. You want to go on it. Now when you're on it, you will see the QR code symbol here. You want to click on that. Now you can see that we have a QR code for our WhatsApp as well. You go to scan code here, and what we are going to do here now, we are going to scan this code. So soon as we scan this code, it detect the device login. We are going to click continue, and we are going to click link device, and we need to use fingerprint or putting in our pin. I am going to do so quickly, and I just put in my pin for my phone. We're going to scan the code one more time, and boom, that's how you log into your WhatsApp using the WhatsApp web. And also we can still use the WhatsApp on our phone as well. So it's like a helpful thing for us basically if we want to use our computer to send messages and stuff. So guys, this is actually my WhatsApp, and if you want to log out, there is the three dots at the top, and then you scroll down and you have log out here. So guys, that's how you use the WhatsApp web. I am going to log out from the WhatsApp web. I hope that this video was helpful. Do like, share and subscribe.